Wow! Huntrix has sold out another show! Uh-oh, the Saja boys! The girls need to slay the competition! Oh no! It looks like we've lost Mira and Zoey! Heart eyes? Oh, that's not a good sign. Neither is that. Did someone turn the heat up? Sorry, that was corny. Need salt. Uh-oh, Rumi, I think your friends need you. Oh no! They've turned to the dark side. We need to make a potion to save them. Off to Spunky Land. Ooh, Pinky needs our help. Come on, pull! Pull harder! We're gonna need something stronger. It seems like we need to dig a little deeper. Remember, give a hoot and don't pollute. Or at the very least, clean up after yourselves. Wow! A rainbow fish! Want to have a bite? Yes, you really are what you eat. Careful, looks like there's some sea demons. Hurry, look for some treasures in the sand. Ooh, look at all these cool seashells. And how about a star for a star? Fish, that is. It's all what we need to fight back. Good thing, too. These are dangerous waters. Pinky needs a boost. Come on, Rumi, let down your hair. Wow, grapes! The first ingredient we need. Ooh, watch out for those falling plants. Don't worry, it's an easy fix. We just need some air. Up and away. Hey, look, it's our old pal Derpy.
Wow.
And it looks like he's found something. Behind that plant. There's a lot of fish around here. Did the aquarium have a sale? Still, Derpy wants a pink fish for lunch. Well, guess third time's the charm around here. So good, he'll have seconds and thirds. Hope you enjoyed your meal. Now it's time for a tooth checkup. Show us those pearly whites. Ooh, some kitty needs to floss. Don't worry, we can help clean up those teeth. Uh-oh, it looks like that one tooth has got to go. And there's a fish bone stuck underneath. You're gonna need a replacement. Go gold or go home. Don't worry, she minored in metalwork. After all, even pop stars need a backup plan. Aw, Derpy, you're positively golden. Oh, hey, Oren, what's wrong? You look hungry. This vending machine could help, but we need cash. Looks like Rumi needs to sing for your supper. Great success. Let's hope we've got exact change. Now to try things out. What flavor should we pick? Mira's ramen? Let's hope Oren likes things spicy. Well, at least you know it's crunchy. Let's try the one with your name on it. Rumi's flavor for the superstar in you. Ooh, wish we had some of that on Halloween. Okay, no more Mr. Nice Demon Hunter. Well, we're swimming in ramen now. But something tells me we need a new plan. Why not try some ice cream instead? How about a nice big scoop of blueberry? There's room for a few extra scoops. It kind of looks like we're making a face. But we're gonna need to add some eyes. And a nice big chocolate sauce smile. Also, sprinkles. It's like glitter for ice cream. Kinda looks like Derpy, but not for long. Ooh, a bone? We could use it to make soup. Uh-oh, it's one of the Saja boys. Talk about their true colors. Well, looks like we're heading down the rabbit hole. He's a ghost, and not the friendly kind. It's raining rocks! Dance for your life, Rumi! He's coming down! What's he gonna do? I'm starting to think he's not very nice. We need a secret weapon! Aha! Slime! Now we can see where he's been. Next, a girl power. Make that powder. But he's still a little transparent. Deep down. Uh-oh! Our last life! Time to bring out the sword. Oh, guess it really is what's inside that counts. Especially if you're filled with jewels. Next up, Rumi and Jinu are having a dance battle. With this game, you've got to strike a pose. Don't worry, we can mold you into shape. After all, you Rumis have got to stick together. Because sometimes, you just gotta help yourself. Jinu's got the lead, but don't worry, this isn't a race. But heads up, the fourth position is a bit of a challenge. How are you with standing on your head? Uh-oh, Jinu's got a special trick up his sleeve. But you can't keep a good Rumi down. Actually, she's kind of stuck in a pretzel. But there's always the bonus game to save the day. Oh, this seems simple enough. Just slide everything into place. Don't get stressed. Just go with the flow. Rumi's won! And let's check out your prize. Flower. Maybe it's some kind of herb. And they say flying's the only way to travel. First they run out of peanuts, now the demons. But Rumi can't fight on an empty stomach. Good thing the snack cart is right here. Our special puzzle pieces will show what Rumi needs. Let's see, some gimbap, ramen, some cake. Would you like some fries with that? Plus a hot dog and pizza, and a donut, and some Kpop fried chicken. Let's hope Rumi's worked up an appetite. We've got all your favorites, and then some. Do you need some spinach? Let's get demon hunting. It looks like we're starting things off with a simple card game. And it looks like Rumi's the winner. Now let's land this plane to safety. Do you have a map? Well, let's hope you're good at mazes. Nothing like a trip in the Great Big Blue. Aha! We made it! And we've got the last piece of the puzzle. Here comes the easy part. The antidote pretty much makes itself. Cheers, girls! You'll soon feel like your old selves. Looks like Huntrix is back and better than ever. Look who's here from Spunky Land, Mr. Fun Computer! But we're getting 3 more special guests too. The Kpop Demon Hunters! Let's get them ready for the show. Can't fight evil on an empty stomach. This ramyun's so good, you'll eat the cup. That takes care of Rumi. Now it's your turn, Zoey. And last, but certainly not least, Mira. Don't touch that button! It's the Saja boys! And I don't think they're here to sing Soda Pop. It's okay. These girls have got the singing covered. You did it! Now to start your Spunky Land big tour. Look to the sky, 'cause we're going up, up, up.